That is what. And what is the scope of this? Where we can apply these kind of OR techniques? That means it cuts across through all the functional areas of management. It is like finding a solution in every area of a functional area of a business. For example, in finance, maybe in budgeting or investment, in those areas also we can use this operations research. Similarly, in making purchasing decisions or procuring the materials, that means from which supplier will procure, or from what distance, or what is the cost involved, or what are the quantities that we can purchase, which will result in the optimum cost or lowest cost to the organization. Similarly, exploring, there also we can use this operations research. Similarly, production management, and in marketing decisions, in HR management, or we also call that personal decisions. Similarly, whether to go for R&D or any decisions related to research and development. These kind of things can use operations research so that we can find optimum solutions. So operations management cuts through, even maintenance management, in IT, everywhere we can find operations research application if we can positively, or we can use it optimally.